So I'm working on a little project here, basically turning my Vespa into a getting to the beach machine. And so I'll kind of walk you through what I did. Might be helpful to you, and it's a pretty quick little mod to get a surf rack on a Vespa and get your boards, get your foil, get whatever you need down to the beach. So we'll walk you through it, pretty simple. So how it all started is I have this Vespa, I have my foil over here, I have surfboards that I want to take to the beach, and so I said, well, I got to figure out a way to get this to be able to carry a surfboard. So I went on Amazon and I found a bike rack carrier for surfboards. It looks like this. I'll include a link in the video so you guys can order one yourself, and I'll show you how I mounted it to the Vespa. So basically, here's how it works. These bike racks are really pretty simple. They have some padding here, pretty lightweight, and fasteners for your surfboard here. But typically the way they come and the way they work is if you look closely at this thing, it has a mount that's meant for the seat post on the bike rack here. And obviously, I don't have a seat post on the Vespa. I got this big fat seat, so I had to figure out how to get it on here. But it actually worked out pretty good, and works out pretty good. It's pretty simple. So basically all you need is a drill and a bit that can go through metal, and you're off to the races. So if you look at the back of the Vespa, I just took the mounting bracket here and lined it up on this metal piece here. It's kind of convenient. This is pretty strong, can carry a lot of weight. And so then I just marked some pilot holes and drilled through. So once I have that, then I can use the same screws, the same hardware that came with it, mount this here, tighten it up, and we should be good to go. All right, let's see how it works. Once you have your pilot holes drilled, then you can mount this hardware on there. This is a little wider than the bracket, so you only really probably need 2 to hold this tight. So we'll just go with the 2 and tighten it up and see how it goes. All right, well, now that you got the rack mounted, I got this mounted here, let's see how it works. You might have to make some adjustments to the back just to make sure the height's right when the boards are there, so, you know, we'll try it out. Here we go, trusty wave storm. There we go, make sure it's balanced on there. Make sure you got enough clearance here, clearance in the front. Looks good to go. All right, well, what about the foil? Foil's gonna offer some problems because the surfboard is just a surfboard. On the foil, I got this wing, especially on this. This is a GL 180, kind of a bigger wing. If I put the board on there, it's gonna be dragging on the ground. So what we'll do is we'll put the wing on at the beach, and for now, we'll just put it in the case. Wings off the foil. Let's get the foil in the rack and see how we're gonna do this. All right. Foil board there. Now the wing. So the wing, the cool thing here is the wing can fit right here, right on the concave of the board. So I'll strap this up. Make sure things are tight, make sure I have clearance. All right, well, it's been a lot of work today. I had to use a drill, had to use an Allen wrench. I'm exhausted. The only thing now is to maybe go get in the water and foil.